Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. As you can see, this box with cat hair on it. Moonspell box is what we are unboxing today. So this is a box, it's not a subscription. You can pick and choose which one you would like to get, but you get a complete spell kit. I actually don't know what this month's is, so we're going to open it and do it together today. I believe we'll do it together because I know last month when we opened one, there was a specific moon phase and everything I wanted to wait to do it for, and we just did the unboxing, so we shall see. But you can get this at moonspellbox.com. I have a playlist. You can check out all the former boxes I did, all the other spells, and if they're available on their website, you can get them $9.99. I think this is great for both beginners and also people who just want some inspiration for their magic, for their spell work. So let's get this open and see what's inside and go from there. I hope you guys are all doing well. Of course, I will link Moonspell Box down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. Ooh, love this. Spell to connect with your spirit guides. This is amazing. Oh. Yeah, I definitely didn't peek at this. I was like, maybe I peeked when it first came. I don't know. I definitely couldn't remember either way. But anyways, this envelope spell will help you communicate with your spirit guides, opening the way for signs so that you may receive their insight and knowledge with understanding. Oh, I'm all about connecting to spirit, so any enhancement with that, I'm down. So looks like we have a lot of ingredients that came in the box. So let's see, am I zoomed out as far as possible? We can go a little further, okay. We're on my tarot table, so I feel like this is the perfect place I like to do spell work and stuff like this here. So let's see what we have inside. We'll just take this all out and go through it, place the box. I think that's everything. They usually send me a sticker that says thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. This is so cute. And little moth. Beautiful. All right. So ingredients. We have the paper and the envelope. So, oh, I love how it's coordinated. So this is a piece of paper here, and we have a pen. And then we have this little spell bag here with some lavender, rosemary and dandelion in this little jar. I love how they put these all together for us. And then, you guys, you can repurpose this jar. You can save it if you want. And then we have this little lapis lazuli here. I love lapis lazuli. I found out it was my late grandmother's favorite stone. I already loved it, but it makes it extra special. And I think that's everything we'll need. Let's take a look here. Okay, so the intention: to establish a deep connection with your spirit guides, inviting them to share their divine guidance, support, and assistance in your life. So the ritual we have here, it's 5 steps, and there's also an incantation as well. So this is what I'm going to read from right now. So you write your spirit guides a letter inviting their assistance into your life, asking for visions or signs from them that will offer clarity, insight, and guidance. The style and content of the letter can be whatever resonates with you. Create a list, ask questions, tell your spirit guides how and why you need assistance as you see fit. But no matter what, be sure to express gratitude and thanks for their guidance. Place the letter in the envelope along with the herbs, flowers, and lapis lazuli. Seal the envelope, and then hold the sealed envelope in your hands and repeat the incantation to connect with your spirit guides. So the incantation is: Divine spirit guides, my heart and mind are open and your presence is welcome. Guide me and share with me your love and wisdom. May your light illuminate my way, leading me towards my highest good. Thank you for your guidance, knowledge, and support. So mote it be. Love that. And then you leave the envelope on your altar or carry it with you. And then the last step is: be on the lookout for signs from your spirit guides as your connection deepens and grows. Pay attention to and reflect on the messages as they come to you. Trust yourself and your spirit guides, allowing them to work through you and for you. I love this. I have 2 altars. One's an ancestral altar and one's like an abundance altar. I think since the special connection with the lapis lazuli, I'll probably leave this envelope on my ancestor altar. I already have some lapis lazuli on there actually from my grandmother, so I feel like this could be a special connection to her. But yeah, if you have an altar, I love that they mentioned that, but you can also carry it with you. This is a really small size. I think this is so cute. So we do have everything you need. I always just like to add suggestions. Like I like to clear the space I'm doing any workings on or readings. So I have some sage here so I can clean the sage. So I'm going to write the letter in private. I feel like this is personal, but I feel like I totally have some things I would like some insight on. I like to draw cards every day. That's one way I like to connect. But now, I can ask my guides for visions, for signs, like through my cards specifically. But I also get signs through birds and feathers. Like literally, I was once on a walk and I asked my guides for a feather, like to show me a sign, and this fell out of the sky out of nowhere. Like there was no birds around that I could see. Like there wasn't even trees right in that area of the path. And you can see, well, hopefully, I can't tell. It looks like it's kind of dark even though the light's on. This is the feather of a blue jay, and now I see blue jays all the time, and a lot of times I see them when I'm thinking something or asking something in my head on my walks, and I know it's my angels and my guides confirming something for me or letting me know they're with me. So this stuff really works. I mean, if you're watching this right now, I know you believe this. You're open-minded to spirit guides, but it really works, and I think a lot of times we don't realize, like, we just have to ask. We just have to ask for help, ask for signs, because we do have free will, and a lot of times our spirit guides, they're there, but we don't always realize it, and they're just waiting for us to ask for help or to ask for a sign. So a lot of times when we ask, you will see signs, you will get guidance. So I think this is such a great reminder and a great ritual, and I'm so excited to be doing this. I'm going to do it in private, like I said, but since I have the sage out, it's like getting everywhere. Like Ash, I used this earlier for my tarot pick a card reading I just filmed for my other channel, which, by the way, if you guys are into tarot and spirituality and all that, I have a tarot channel called Kitty Rising, which I think it's always linked below in these videos. Please check it out. I'm trying to grow that channel. It's my passion. I also do readings professionally. Kittysboxes.com is my website, and I do have a code right now that is abundance in all caps to save 11%. Maybe we can do a spirit guide reading. I always connect with spirit guides, actually, for those I'm mine and those I do readings for, and through the YouTube channel, through the collective. But I'm super excited about this, so I just cleaned the space here energetically. I feel like now I have to clean it physically. There's ash all over and little pieces of sage. You could even see somewhere here. But I'm going to do this, think about it first. I think it's great to really take some time and reflection. This is so great. You can save this piece of paper, put it in your grimoire, Book of Shadows, whatever one. I know some people have both because they have slightly different meanings. But yeah, you can, whatever you do, you can keep this for future reference. And yeah, I think this is awesome. I think this is such a great box. I've had really great experiences with it. This might be one of my favorites because I just think it's overall could be used for anything and is such a great reminder that our spirit guides are always there to help guide us, and we just have to ask and look for the signs. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Like I said, I'm going to do this in private for obvious reasons. But I will link moonspellbox.com below, so check them out if you're interested. And again, you can purchase pass boxes they have available there, I believe, as well. So, yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are doing well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Leave a comment if you wish. And again, if you want to book private reading with me, kittysrising.com, or check out my YouTube channel at Kitty Rising Tarot here on YouTube. Even if this is the last place you'll see me today, I'm so grateful you're here. I wish you all the best. I love you. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.